Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are good and doing well. So this is Nikhat Kosa, your CTET faculty. How you are preparing for the CTET? Yes, are you preparing for the CTET? Ela nadustundi mee preparation. How is your preparation for the CTET? This time you are going to crack the CTET? Yes, obviously you have to crack the CTET because you are learning with me. Right? Right or not? Yes. Okay, so thank you. So let us start our today's session. And one more thing, this is the last session on your YouTube because we are continuing our classes on your Plato CTET app. Right or not? Okay, so many students have been purchased the app and we have started the classes on the app also on your Plato seated app also. Right, okay, so let us start today's session. So what is your first question in this case is in learning assessment is essential for a motivation, fostering for the purpose of segregation and ranking, grades and marks, or the screening test. Okay, so what is the question now? Again and again, so many times I'm telling what is that. First, we need to understand the question. And afterwards, options. ఫస్ట్ మనం క్వశ్చన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలా, దాని తర్వాత మనం ఆప్షన్స్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలా, దాని తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి, దానికి సమాధానం అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఏది బెస్ట్ అనేది మనం ఆప్ట్ చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. అండ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద 4 ఆప్షన్స్ 3 options we should delete. One option will be the best answer. So let us see what is the best answer or what is the correct answer in this case. In learning, assessment is essential for. So in learning, well, we are learning something. Assessment is essential for. Like assessment is what? Assessment is what? Assessment of learning is there, assessment for learning is there. Yes, in the previous sessions I have explained what do you mean by the assessment of learning and assessment for learning. Right, so what he is asking, in learning assessment is essential for first motivation, fostering the purpose of segregation and ranking, grades and marks, screening test. So what we do is, first we will eliminate the options, we'll get the final answer. This is the easy trick. Okay, so assessment is essential for grades and marks. We learn for only for attaining the good marks or the good grades. No. Yeah, so this so C option I can delete. మనం చదువుతున్నాం, ఎందుకు చదువుతున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే మనకు గుడ్ like why we are giving education or why we want the students to learn something new. For just getting the good grades and the good marks? No, so we can delete this option. Yes, comment me, yaar. Yes, comment me. Okay, so you people are not doing commenting, you are people are not liking this video, you are not sharing this video. So bad, no, you are good. So you are going to comment? Yes, please comment on this video. So we can delete this option, grades and marks. Screening test, assessment is essential for screening test? No. Fostering of the purpose of segregation and ranking, we are doing assessment for separating, we are doing for assessment in learning, we are doing assessment for ranking purpose or segregation purpose? No. So see how easily I have deleted these 3 options and I got my final answer, that is motivation. How easy it is. So this is the best trick, and if you are in my app, definitely you are going to get the good marks, because in that our crash course, in this way I am going to give you new ideas how to crack the question, or how to crack like what I can say is how you can get the good marks in your CTET exam. Okay, so let us see what is your second question in this case. So this is clear. In learning, assessment is essential for motivation. Motivation plays an important role in learning, right? Because in the CDP, in your B.Ed, in your D.Ed, you have learned that what is the motivation, what is the intrinsic motivation, what do you mean by the extrinsic motivation, how the intrinsic motivation plays an important role in the learning, and how the extrinsic motivation plays an important role in the learning, right or not? Okay, so assessment is essential for motivation. So let us see what is your second question. A teacher uses the exploratory approach. A teacher uses an exploratory approach. Okay. First, understand the question, students. Yes, a teacher uses the exploratory approach. Okay, which approach she is using? Exploratory approach. So many approaches are there. Constructivist approach will be there. Exploratory approach will be there. So many approaches are there, right or not? Okay. Use of manipulatives and involvement of students. And involvement of students in the discussion while giving the concepts of mathematics. While giving the concepts of mathematics, she uses this strategy too. Like a teacher is there, she is using the exploratory approach. What do you mean by the exploratory approach is she is involving the students, she involving the students of whole the class to participate in the particular approach and to find out the answer, we can say. Why? Yes, she is doing involving the students in the discussion or in the activities. Like she want the max teacher want the students to participate in the approach, to explore something new. So she's involving the students. Why she is using the strategy? So let us see the answer. Create a certain way of thinking and reasoning, achieve the narrow aim of teaching mathematics, achieve the higher aim of teaching mathematics, develop manipulative skills among the students. Why she is involving ఎందుకు ఆ టీచర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ని ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేస్తుంది డిస్కషన్ లో, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డిస్కషన్ లో ఎందుకు ఆమె ఈ స్ట్రాటజీ యూస్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్? సో ప్లీజ్ కమెంట్ మీ. Yes, I'm waiting for your comments. No one is commenting. So bad students. You are the teachers, not the students. Okay, so just what is the best answer in this case is yes, you are telling like ma'am answer is already in the green color, so answer is A. Yes, because I have taken these questions from my another classes from my another institute. So from the another institute these questions are there, because this is your YouTube sessions, that too the 5 free sessions, right? So what I have done is I have taken, this is my questions only. Okay, so let us see what is the correct answer in this case. Develop manipulative skills among the students. She wants just to develop the manipulative skills among the students. No. Achieve the higher aim of teaching mathematics. She want to achieve the higher aim of mathematics. No. Achieve the narrow aim of teaching mathematics. No. What is the correct answer is create a certain way of thinking and reasoning, right? Create a certain way of thinking and reasoning. Like a person, a student is habituated to think and the reason, so then only the student can achieve something, can find out something, can construct something, can explore something new. So what is the correct answer in this case is yeah, option number A. సో why she is using a strategy, ఎందుకు ఆ టీచర్ ఈ స్ట్రాటజీ యూస్ చేస్తుందంటే మనం స్టూడెంట్స్ని, మనం పిల్లల్ని మనం ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేస్తే, వాళ్ళు మనకు యాక్టివ్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు అంటే అరే నేనే చేసిన ఆ స్ట్రాటజీ, నేనే ఫార్ములా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన, మ్యాథ్స్ చాలా ఈజీరా బై అని చెప్తాం. లేకపోతే మా మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్ నేను రాను, మా మ్యాథ్స్ టీచర్ భయం అవుతుంది అట్లా చెప్తారు, రైట్? సో వై షీ ఈస్ యూజింగ్ ద స్ట్రాటజీస్ లైక్ ద పిల్లలు అనేది వాళ్ళు థింక్ చేయాలా, దే హ్యావ్ టు థింక్, దే హ్యావ్ టు రీజన్. లైక్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ది స్టూడెంట్స్ వెరీ కన్స్ట్రక్టివ్, వెరీ ఇన్నోవేటివ్, right? So this is the correct answer in this case. Let us see what is your third question in this case. In which of the following type of test items are constructed to maximize discrimination among the students? So here we are having, first understand the question, in which of the following, like out of the 4 options, type of test, these are the 4 different types of test items are constructed to maximize discrimination among the students. We have like 4 tests are there, like norm reference is there, criterion reference test, objective reference, performance reference. So which test we are using? We are constructing to maximize the discrimination, among the students, we can say. Like in which of the following type of test, which test items are there we are using to maximize the discrimination? Like we should not discriminate from the among the students. Like మనం పిల్లల్ని క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మనం ఇట్లా చెప్తాం, లైక్ ది అబ్బాయి చాలా బాగా చదువుతుండు, నువ్వు ఏం చదువుతలే. Like the person Ramu is very is actively learning this like this Uma Maheshwari, or this person is not learning. Learn from Ramu, learn from Suresh, how he is learning. We should not compare, we should not discriminate among the students. Okay, so norm reference tense. Now, what do you mean by the norm reference? What do you mean by the criterion reference? What do you mean by the objective reference? What do you mean by the performance reference? This all four we'll discuss in our crash course. Now, let us see what do you mean by the norm reference. Here, I have take norm reference test. Compare a student's performance against the performance of their peers. Like in this, what we do is we will take the test items and we'll compare the students performance against the performance of their peers. Like how many students are there? 4-5 peer group is there, and one girl is standing here. In this case, I am comparing this girl with the out of among the 5. Like this 5 students are doing this girl is not doing this. What is the deficiency? What is the drawback what is the drawback among the girl? Why this girl is doing like this? So నేను ఇది మొత్తం మీరు ఇట్లా అనుకుంటున్నారు, మేడం ఇప్పుడే అన్నారు కంపేర్ చేయొద్దు, ఇప్పుడే డిస్క్రిమినేషన్ చేయొద్దు అని చెప్పినారు, మళ్ళీ మీరు ఇట్లా. సో మనం స్టూడెంట్స్ ముందు చేయొద్దు. We are not doing among before the students. Just what I'm thinking is, this 5 students are doing well in the mathematics and this one student is not doing well in the mathematics. That girl is good. Okay, this boy is good. That boy is good. This boy is good. But what happened with this girl? Why she is not doing? What I'm doing, I'm comparing this test items among their peer group and that student's performance. So this is called as norm reference test. So this was a thing we need to understand. Okay. So out of again 3 difference are there that we have detailed discussion in our crash course. Ardhamainda? Norm reference test compare a student's performance, compare the student's performance against the performance of their peers. Right or not? Okay, so let us see what is the next question in this case. Who is not a cognitivist thinker out of the following? Like in this CDP, in your psychology, so many thinkers are there. Cognitivist is there, radical thinker is there, constructivist is there, behaviorist is there. So many things are there. But don't worry, I'm going to help you. So what he's asking is, who is not a cognitivist thinker out of the following? Albert Bandura, David Ausubel, Jerome Bruner, Tolman. So we already know that Albert Bandura is a cognitivist thinker. Bandura theory of learning, very very important, right? Ausubel, he's also one of the famous cognitivist thinker, but we did not have some theories. But in the syllabus, we don't have the theories of this Ausubel. But Bruner theory of learning, remember? Yes, remember. Okay. Tolman. Now, Tolman is not the cognitivist theory. Tolman is not a cognitivist thinker. Okay, so let us see what is the next question in this case. What minimum number of working days have been prescribed by the RTE Act 2009 for the classes 6 to 8? Minimum number of working days. This is very 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 easy, right? So what are the number of working days? వర్కింగ్ డేస్ ఏమవుతుందంటే అప్పుడప్పుడు చాలా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మనం స్ట్రెస్లో మనం ఎక్కువ టెన్షన్ తీసుకొని ఆ స్ట్రెస్ ఆ టెన్షన్లో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే తప్పు like we will do some mistakes and we'll keep the wrong option and then you people will, like most of the students will come to the home and tell, arre shit, ఇది నాకు తెలుసు, నేను ఎట్లా తప్పు పెట్టినా, ఎట్లా 1 మార్క్ పోయింది రా బై, అట్లా అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో నో నీడ్ టు వరీ, no need to be in hurry burry, just relax. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you are the teacher. Yes, you are very extraordinary. You are a diamond. Yes, you in your hands, so many students are going to learn because you are a teacher. Just think, you are very good, you are very talented, you are having more intelligence. Just you utilize in a right way. Relax, calm, Okay. Right. Okay. So, చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు what are the number of working days? 180, 200, 220, 240. For the classes 6 to 8, he is not asking about the primary. He is asking for the upper primary. మీరు పోయి అక్కడ ప్రైమరీయే కదా అని పెట్టేసి వచ్చేస్తే తప్పవుతుంది. జస్ట్ మీరు వినండి, అక్కడ 6th to 8th క్లాస్ వరకు ఎన్ని వర్కింగ్ డేస్ అంటే 180 200 220 240. So, what is the correct answer in this case is 220. 220. So, this is your correct answer. So, our 5 questions are over and our 5 free sessions also over on the YouTube. Okay, so I wish everyone, whoever watching this video, all the very, very best. So, if your wish, if you have to get the good marks, please purchase your 45 days crash course. Definitely you are going to get the good marks, because in this 45 days we are going to cover important topics of your CTET, and definitely from that topics you will get the questions, and we are going to yes, we are going to conduct the grand test, mini mock test, so many things. Okay, thank you. I wish everyone all the very best for your bright future. Thank you.